Welcome to the new weekly report and analysis with the Harmonic app scanner. This week we are following still Japanese 225 index, where we have a bullish bad pattern formed on the daily time frame, and in the several analysis I am following this one and also sharing inside the Telegram group with the traders, where the Japanese 225 is still reached the first take profit, and we are waiting for the price to reach the second take profit visible here. For now, this bad pattern is still valid, and we are following with the stop loss moving above the entry level, just in case if the price goes against us, it will close with a small profit instead of stop loss. On the market during the week there were several signals also on the market, but before that we can return back here in the previous week analysis, which you can see on the YouTube. It was covered Hong Kong 33 index, that it was expected that the price reached around 70,995, it is around 80,000 as the potential entry level, and then returns back down. And we can see how this looks on the market. The price has reached 80,400 and it has reached also a higher price level, and then we will see will the price returns back down. What it looks, it is in the downtrend, the price is formed, which is the first entry, which is the first criteria that needs to be fulfilled in order to watch the bad pattern. The second one is to make the technical analysis for the entry levels and also the stop loss are on the correct places. In the previous analysis you can watch on the YouTube, you will see what are important levels for the market. Now inside the notification, where the settings are being set for the bad pattern here on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, I have selected the watch list of the Forex major pairs, Forex minors, and I have added some of them here, for example some of the crypto. If you would like to add some of them, you can also type here, for example, BTC, and it will show you CMBTC and also other symbols that are available on the market here inside the scanner. So when you select them, you will have them on the watch list, and after that, when there is a bad pattern formed on the 4-hour time frame and on the daily time frame, it will be visible here. Now you can see here inside this filter, you can set which pattern you would like to be notified over the Telegram and on which time frame. So I have selected 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame with a bad pattern. So when there is a bad pattern format on the chart, I receive a Telegram notification on my mobile phone over the Telegram bot that there is, for example, here on the 4-hour time frame, there is a bad pattern format on the chart. When I click on it, I will be redirected here, and then I can make the analysis. So for the 4-hour time frame, we can see this is not clear the uptrend, so this is the first criteria that has not been fulfilled, so I will skip this one. Then let's go to the notification and check the second one, how this looks. For example, this looks as a bullish bad pattern, but it has been formed on the range market, we can see it, and the small uptrend. Then let's check the second one, just a minute. This one, how this looks. This one has been formed on the small downtrend, moving sideways, uptrend, the downtrend. So this is not a clear trend on the market, so I will skip this one also. So unless I found one pattern that has been formed in line with the trend, so I will skip this one also. When I find that one, I make the technical analysis, which increases the chances for the price to move in the same direction and to be a valid bad pattern. So let's check. These are the 4-hour time frame. Most of them are already reached the stop loss or the take profit. So for example, this one is in the uptrend, so we could also make the technical analysis on this one. We can pick this one and make the analysis. So let's put this horizontal line, this one here. Let's put the second one. Let's move to the higher time frame, to the daily. let's remove all the patterns from the chart. You can see it here, so they are not bothering. Let's hide this floating pattern list. Okay, and let's put these support and resistance levels here on the chart, so we have much more clear information where the price could stop, bounce, find support, find resistance. Okay, this is the one. And below that is this one here. Okay, let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Activate this floating list, remove all the patterns so we have clear information on the chart, and let's put again these support and resistance levels, but on the smaller time frame. Put them here. Okay, and is there anyone here? We have another one here. Okay, now let's put the daily time frame. Let's remove all the patterns from the chart, and now let's make is there any trend lines that we can put on the chart? We can put this one here. Take a look here, and we can make another one, copy paste this one, and here it is. Currently the price was in the uptrend, and we can see the price is gone from the channel. Then let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Then let's remove the patterns from the chart. Oh, sorry, we can remove this one. And let's make the supply demand zones around this support and resistance level, so we know where the price could stop, where the price could bounce. Okay, this is the one. Let's make this one here. Okay. And on the lower side, let's see where it is. Here it is. Okay, and now let's activate the bat pattern here. Remove this one and see how this looks. Now let's make the technical analysis. Based on this one, what we can see, the price is in the uptrend. That's okay. We have potential reversal zone that has been triggered here, and also it's visible here where the price could stop, and we can see that this is the support level where the price could go down, and it is pointing that this will be potential reversal zone for the price. The potential reversal zone spreads from here. We can see it here. It is the start. Let's Y this one, and then all the way up to here. So this is where the price could reach. We can see where the price is going down. The price could reach this area. This is the first support level, and it is a demand zone here. So this is the target where the price is heading currently. This is where it is expected to enter, and then try to watch until the price reaches the first take profit and the second take profit. Then we have a stop loss, just in case. I would move this one below that, because we can see when the price comes here to this price level here, the price could go all the way down, but the price have problems going even more down, which means the price have problems going below this one, which is great information for the stop loss. If the price goes below this one, this will mean that the price has triggered this price level, and it has completely cancelled this bullish bat pattern. So for now, the entry level could be also around this price level if the price goes down, but this is also a good potential reversal zone. Now for the take profit, for the first one, I would move this one also a little bit down, just at this support level, because you can see when the price goes up, it reaches this support level, sometimes with a wick above, but usually what is usually reached is this one. So it is the best to move a first take profit here, which is most of the time reached when the price goes up, and then we'll see what happens. When the price reaches first take profit, we move the stop loss just above the entry point, depending where the price has activated the entry level, and then if the price goes against us, it will activate stop loss, which will be in positive, which means we will get out of the trade with a small profit. Now for the second take profit, after the price reaches this area, price makes a breakout to the upside. Let's stretch this a little bit up, it will be much more clear. When the price goes above, this will mean the price reaches the first resistance level, and this is here. Now, when the price returns back down, goes above, usually what the price reaches in this attempt, when the price goes up, the price reaches usually this resistance level. So we could also move this one just a little bit down before the price reaches it, just to be on the safe side. So for the first take profit, this would be here, and for the second take profit, this would be just here, where the confluence of resistance here is, before the price touches. So if the price goes above this one, I will also move the stop loss again to the first take profit, which is much more in profit than here at the entry point level. So this is next symbol. I will watch the next week how the price behaves, but based on the technical analysis, these are the entry level, stop loss, and the take profit. Based on this one, what I can see on the weekly, on the daily, let's see how this looks. Just a minute to make the analysis. On the daily time frame, we can see this looks potentially that the price could go down around this area, and then we will see, will the price hold? Usually what the price shows us, it is a great support at this price level. This was this was a small attempt for the price to move even or down, but currently we are in the uptrend, so we'll see what happens. On the weekly time frame, this is a strong bearish candle that has been formed on the chart. You can see here that, and the first support level where the price could stop. Just to remove this one, just a minute. The first support level is this one here. We can see it here. It is very close to the entry level of the price that currently prices, but also there is a potential for the price to reach at around 36.23. Our price level where the price could enter is around 36.52. We can see that here. So we'll see what happens. The entry level is around this one, so we'll see on the 4-hour time frame for the next week will the price reach, and this will be successful or a failed one. For now, the technical analysis points what are very critical level and the entry level with stop loss moving a little bit more down below 36.22. So for the next week, we'll see. During the week inside the Telegram group with the gold members, I will share is there any changes, is there any other patterns formed on the chart. You can see it here. If there is no, there will be no analysis, but if there is any, you can see it here in the past. When the bad pattern has been formed with the Harmonic scanner, I share that with the traders only if it is potentially successful. If it's not in line with the technical analysis, with the trend, I will not share that inside the member group. So if you would like, check this gold membership Telegram group, which you will receive the link after you register. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.